Hello students. Many of the time you receive the invitation to apply project competitions or hackathon from various government and non-governmental organizations. But sometimes you hesitate to apply because you lack in project knowledge. In this video, I am going to explain how to get these ideas and prototypes from IITs. Every year, IIT organizes the Project Bootcamp to their member institutes. This year, IIT Palakkad is organizing the bootcamp. The student have to apply with the registration fee of Rs 8,500 and on successful completions will get a refund of Rs 6,000 rupees. The selected candidates will receive a project kit. Now let me show you the different components available in the kit. T-shirt, glue gun, desoldering pump, Arduino starter kit, in which Arduino Uno is there, broadband 400 pins are available, USB cable is also there, soldering iron, resistor kit, multimeter, power card, a tape, wire stripe, glue for paste, soldering paste, LEDs, cutter, soldering wire, screwdriver, a cable operator cutter, input-output devices, and lithium batteries. Based on the input from the expert, you can complete the prototype in 4 days. The last 2 days for the documentations and applying the project to various publications and events or hackathon. Dear students, you need not wait for the IITs or NITs to motivate you to implement different projects. You can also procure this component and start doing this prototype at your home. More people fail not because of their lack of knowledge or talent, but because they just quit. Accept the responsibility, decide what is important for you. For more detail, please call me. Thank you.